that we are planning to do some hike to Hatta side, and we are planning to find some water spots to have some bath also. So stay tuned, guys. We'll catch up later.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to Hatta, one of our favorite places to get away from the city. As we mentioned before, we are starting from Sharjah. We woke up around 6:30 in the morning and started our journey at about 7:30. The drive is so nice and peaceful. Look at those mountains coming up in the distance. It feels so good to leave the busy city behind, roll down the windows and breathe fresh air. On the way, we are planning to stop in Hatta for a little breakfast before heading to the main spots. Hatta Dam is one of our highlights, a calm and beautiful place surrounded by mountains. The boat is clear and peaceful, making it a perfect spot to relax. The drive is from Sharjah to Hatta takes around 1 hour, so it's short but scenic. We are just enjoying the road and the view, the quiet around us. If you ever want a short escape, this drive alone is worth it. And of course, we will show you all the best spots along the way. We have reached Hatta now. Right here we can see the Hatta bus station, and this is where we are stopping for breakfast before exploring more. From here it is around 2 kilometers to Hatta Dam. After breakfast, we started our journey again and are now heading to Hatta Dam. We are really excited to see the clear water and beautiful mountains. Cannot wait to explore and enjoy this peaceful spot. Now Stefan buying our tickets. Everything is very simple and easy. The staff is very friendly. We bought a double kayak. It cost 120 dirhams. There are a lot of options, so you can choose what you like. The place feels calm and welcoming. And now we are ready to go kayaking. At the end of the video, we will share all the prices for kayaking and other activities you can do in Hatta. Here we go kayaking. The boat is smooth and the mountains around us look amazing. So you can hear the water, the birds and the wind. It's so peaceful. We are paddling slowly, taking pictures and just enjoy this moment. Kayaking here feel like a little reset for the mind. And if you are stressed, this is the kind of place you want to come to. It's simple, calm and really beautiful.
May betul ke? May betul ke? Dah guna bateri udah kan?
After kayaking, we are visiting the Hatta Sustainable Waterfall. The waterfall is gently over the rocks. It's very relaxing. There are some people here, but it still feels calm. We are just sitting, watching the water and enjoying. This place shows how nature and small human ideas can come together beautifully. Hatta is perfect for enjoying peace and adventure at the same time. Thanks for coming with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in our next trip.